Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change your Lebara SIM to eSIM. First, log in to your My Lebara account online. Request the SIM to eSIM switch. Once approved, you'll receive a QR code via email. On your phone, go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data, and add cellular plan or add eSIM. Scan the QR code you receive and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. Your Lebara eSIM is now active and ready to use. And that's how to change your Lebara SIM to eSIM. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.